after experiencing the cloud save error 2026 in GTA 5, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Restart your game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the cloud save error. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to issues with cloud saves. Test your connection by browsing other websites or using other online services. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them, which may resolve the cloud save error. Step 4. Clear cache. For console users, clearing the cache can help fix various issues. Power off your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. For PC users, you can clear the cache by deleting the temporary files associated with the game. Step 5. Relink your Rockstar Social Club account. Log out of your Rockstar Social Club account and then log back in. This can refresh your connection to the cloud saves and may resolve the error. Make sure to check for any updates to the Rockstar launcher as well. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cloud save error 2026 in GTA 5. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.